Okay, so we've got the purple with the triangle, and we're going to dust it with the violet. This is the violet mist. What is it called? Violet? Violet.
Just violet.
Violet.
Violet luster dust.
Okay.
There we go.
And then we're going to put this cake on top.
Oh, get the lid. Get the lid.
Okay. It's fairly
That looks so cool.
level. Okay. I want a little bit more of the violet on here. And I will give you the midnight. You've got it already. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit more on the violet because I can't quite see it. And I'm going to use a smaller brush for a little more control. A flat brush for a little more control on the top. You may have to dust it a little bit when we put it on a little bit more. I'm just trying to get that nice color. So yeah, I mean, if it rolls, that's okay.
Okay.
You're good. You're good. Oh, so lucky to have such a good assistant.
Oh, shucks.
All I'm doing is just rolling. I'm doing a practice piece. What did I say we're going to do it? Blue and green?
Mm-hmm. Or was it gold and green? No, I think it's blue and
Blue and green. I'd love to do gold and green, but I just don't like to do silver too. Nah. Be here all day. I'm just checking to see the size is all I'm doing to see if I want little ones or big ones all the way around. We're probably going to see what the big ones are like. We might end up doing the little ones. More funded. Are you done with that?
I am.
Okay.
Left it out.
Roll that out. See if you can get some big ones out of it. Here, you can mix the two of them together.
Okay.
Get some big ones, and we'll try those on and see what they look like. This is what I do at home, by the way. When I'm unsure of what I'm going to do for the bottom of this cake. I just know I'm going to put diamonds, Harlequin diamonds, along the bottom, and I don't know what size I want to use. So I try a couple one size, try a couple another size, and see what I like.
I snatched the little one from over there.
But you guys probably do that too. How do you know that?
So these are just practice ones right now?
Yeah, these are just practice ones. That's why I don't care what color they are.
Well, this one's pretty marbled.
Yeah, that's fine. We see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, we obviously don't like that.
No.
So we're going with the small one.
Okay. Oh.
So I need you to roll me a whole, green and blue.
Green and blue. Okay.
And you're going to dust them, and then we'll put them on.
I'm going to dust them with midnight blue and green.
Super green.
Super green. Okay. Super green. Got it.
And we're going to do every other one. So it's going to be green, then blue, then we alternate them when we put them on.
Great.
At the end. Now I can get it even.